What is the environmental impact of textile waste? What is the environmental impact of textile waste? This question is more important than ever as we consider our planet's health. Textile waste is a major issue that affects our natural resources, ecosystems, and climate. In the United States, millions of tons of textile waste are thrown away each year. This waste makes up a significant portion of municipal solid waste. Globally, the fashion and textile industry is responsible for about 2% of greenhouse gas emissions. This is mainly due to the production and disposal of textiles. One of the biggest problems with textile waste is how long it takes to decompose. In landfills, textiles can take over 100 years to break down. During this time, they releases methane gas, which is much more harmful than carbon dioxide. This contributes to climate change and worsens our environmental challenges. The production of textiles also uses a lot of natural resources. For instance, making just one cotton t-shirt requires around 2,700 liters of water. That is enough drinking water for one person for more than 2 years. Additionally, textile manufacturing is a leading cause of water pollution. It is responsible for about 20% of global clean water contamination, mainly from dyeing and finishing processes. These harmful chemicals can damage local ecosystems and affect communities living near production sites. Synthetic textiles, like polyester, add another layer of environmental concern. When these fabrics are washed, they release tiny plastic fibers known as microplastics. These microplastics end up in our oceans and can enter the food chain, posing risks to marine life and human health. A single load of laundry with polyester clothing can release hundreds of thousands of these microfibers. Fast fashion makes these problems even worse. It encourages the rapid production and disposal of cheap clothing, leading to excessive waste and resource use. The quick turnaround for new styles means more textiles are produced and discarded faster than ever, overwhelming our waste management systems. To combat textile waste, we need to focus on recycling innovation and waste reduction. There is a growing awareness of the need to extend the life cycle of textiles. This can be done through reuse, repair, and recycling. Increasing textile recycling rates can help keep waste out of landfills and reduce the need for new raw materials. However, currently, only a small percentage of used textiles are recycled effectively. Much of what is collected is sent to countries with less advanced waste management systems, where it may still end up in landfills. Promoting sustainable practices is essential. This includes designing textiles for durability, improving recycling technologies, and supporting circular economy models. These models keep textiles in use longer and minimize waste. By doing this, we can reduce water and energy consumption, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and decrease pollution from textile production and disposal. Textile waste has a significant impact on our environment through high resource consumption, pollution, and greenhouse gas emissions. Addressing these issues requires innovation in recycling, changes in consumer behavior, and a shift toward more sustainable practices in the fashion industry.